KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazingly tender lamb korma. Very easy way to do this, very unique as well. Alright, let's get on with it. First of all, I've lined up all my ingredients for you. I've got around about 1.5 kilo of lamb leg. I've got around about 400 ml of yogurt, some sugar, saffron. I've got a teaspoon of garlic and ginger. I've got 2 cinnamon quills, 10 cardamom pods, 7 cloves. I've got 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, about a teaspoon of fenugreek powder, and about the same again of turmeric, and about 1/3 of a cup of ground almonds. Right, let's get on with it. First thing I've got this lamb leg roast that I've bought from the supermarket. I could not pass this up. The price was right. Take off that string, and we're going to remove some of the thick, hard fat. We don't want to remove all the fat, just the real big, thick, chunky, waxy bits. That real yucky type fat. So just remove that, like I'm doing right there. Now all we need to do now is cube this up. So I'm going to cube this up into around about an inch and a bit, or inch and a half cubes. So just simply with a good sharp knife, just cut straight through the lamb leg. And what they do, they butterfly it, they take out the leg bone, and they just roll it up and put it with the string. And when you're buying this at half the price, it's crazy not to use it. Put that straight into your slow cooker. Yes, we're using the slow cooker again. I'm going to add in about 400 ml of a Greek style yogurt, a natural Greek style yogurt. Just put all of that in. I buy my yogurt in these little tubs because that way you can use as much or little as you like at any given time, and there's not that much wastage. So just put that straight in over the top of your lamb. Around about a teaspoon of sugar, a little bit of salt to taste, probably around about 2 teaspoons worth. The lamb can take it. Okay, next thing I'm going to add in is some saffron. I'm just using a pinch of saffron threads that I've bought, just a little bit like that. Around about 2, maybe 3 brown onions, finely diced. The 2 teaspoons of garlic and 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. They can go straight in. 2 cinnamon quills or cassia bark. I'm going to add in 10 cardamom pods, 7 cloves. I'm also going to add in our coriander powder and our fenugreek powder. So it's very simple. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of our turmeric. Put that straight in. I'm going to add in around about 1/3 of a cup of ground almonds. You can buy almonds and grind them up in your own spice grinder if you like. And I'm also going to add in some cream. I'm going to add in around about a cup of cream, around about 250 to 300 ml of cream. Give all of that a quick stir around like I'm doing right there. Put your lid on, turn it onto low, seat that lid, and we're going to let that sit for a good 4 to 5 hours. So hour 1 it's been going. We're going to give that a stir, right, and the smell is starting to happen. Hour 2, again, as you can see, that meat is starting to basically shrink up a little bit. Hour 4, we're going to give that a little bit more of a stir again. Just check it every hour on low. Hour 5, we're just about done. Okay, so this is a very good, easy, quick way, or an easy way to make up a really nice Indian dish. Beautiful flavor, really tender meat, a little bit of rice in the center of a bowl, and just spoon that meat and that beautiful sauce all around that rice, and before you know it, you've got an incredible lamb korma. And don't forget to spill it on the bench. That turmeric's going to stain your bench big time. Serve it up with some little naan breads, just torn up into little pieces like I've done there. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media, trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn a new creative way how to cook classic meals just like this one. you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, off to eat this beautiful, slow and tender lamb korma, and I will catch you next time. Bye!